Unreal 5.6 preview has been released, but something that kind of boggles my mind, and I'm happy to be alive in these kind of times that these things work. So essentially, what's going on? I was just going through the documentation, the public roadmap, and I found something that kind of caught my eye. And let me, where is it? Because their servers are getting hammered right now. Anyway, I can't find it, but I'll just show you. So essentially, edit, plugins, Photoshop, no, PSD. PSD importer and PSD importer material designer bridge. You enable these two plugins. Just create a new folder, and I use GIMP, which is free, open source, and it can save PSD files, which is brilliant. So I have a sample file here, which is just a alpha channel with a vector graphic, right? And a logo also with the alpha channel, as you can see, and just a classic rasterized background with an image. Now I've exported this as a PSD file, which is going to export as, and then just selecting the file type as Photoshop here. Just you have to go kind of down here. Look for the Photoshop. Photoshop image, right? You export it as a Photoshop image. So from GIMP, free, open source, it generates PSD files. And check this out. All you do is you grab this file, Photoshop layered, right? Drag and drop. Check this out. It creates a PSD document and it saves all the layers into separate texture files. Brilliant. And check this out. Drag and drop. All I can say is that this makes life a whole bunch easier. I'm wondering if the backward compatibility is with 5.5. Can I move these these things to 5.5 so it's stable? But this is brilliant. Just wanted to show this. Yeah, and the new interface here. Look what's going on. This is all new, and yeah, better get used to it sooner or later. These changes. Like, why would they change something that worked well? I have no idea, but we'll get used to it as we usually do, and we probably won't look back. So anyway, this is Unreal 5.6 preview, and with the new Photoshop layered. And look at this; it also breaks it down so you can move each layer automatically, and they're already beautifully grouped up into layers, right? So you can start immediately animating these assets. This is so cool from a Photoshop file. And the Photoshop file was generated free in GIMP 3.0, which is, by the way, amazing. If you need something to just be handy to create these Photoshop layered, these layers, you can create them there and import them quickly into here. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.